Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamisha Stylist within me. If you haven't already, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I've been kind of taking a break, y'all. I don't know what's been going on. Y'all know how it is. But today I'm going to be bringing you guys this review of this hair that I have in these Crochet Locs, the Janet collection 3 times Rockin Mambo Locs. That was a mouthful. I actually purchased this hair off Sam's Beauty. I got it on a sale. It was buy one get one free. I ended up putting in 4 packs and I got 8 packs. So yeah, so I'm gonna be probably making a wig out of the rest of the pack. But anyway, let's get into the specs and details. So this hair, it says 3 times because it's 1, 2, 3. It's 3 bundles of hair in here, and in each individual bundle is 10 locks in each bundle. To do this full head that I have in, I'm kind of out of focus, but to do the full head I used 3 packs and I had a bundle and a half left. So I'm looking at maybe like maybe like 80 or so locks in my head. I want to keep saying dreads, but locks in my head. This is the color OET 1B30 and it is 20 inches. And also in each pack they also come with the little accessories, so the little jewels that you put on your hair jewels. Mine are kind of lost. I just used all the gold ones. They had gold and silver in each pack. So in each pack of these you get your own hair accessories, so you do not have to go out and buy any unless you want to. Okay, for the hair, the only con that I have with this is, like, look at it, these things stick together. They stick and they are very textured. Let me show y'all the hair. This is the last bundle that I had. So the hair is very texture. Let me see if I can focus on it. If you can see, like, this has a wool texture. Like, this is matted together, locked in, sort of almost, it reminds me of like a Brillo pad, and it's rough. I'm actually not going to keep this up this long. This is something convenient to kind of keep me out of my head for like 2 weeks or so, because I really want to put my wigs on and change them out. But this is something to keep me out of my own head. I would suggest soaking this hair in some apple cider vinegar or something to kind of soften it up, because it is rough and it's gonna feel rough against your scalp. Like, it's rough against mine, and it's only irritating me in the back. But yeah, so they come like this. They do not have they're not pre-looped. You actually have to loop these yourself, and so these are not good for trying to do individual style locks. Like, you're gonna have to do the old school method of crochets. I actually have 8 braids going to the back. I would suggest doing smaller braids in the front, like the front half of your head. I would suggest doing something smaller, like 12 braids, and then doing 5 or so braids at the back. You can get away with that. If you want them a little closer, just like when you're doing like a ponytail or something. But yeah, you have to do the old school method of doing crochets, and it's like double ended. So those are what the ends look like on them. So yeah, these things stick. They're sticking. That's the only problem. And if you pull them, like, they'll widen a little bit. Like, some look a little wider than others. Like, that's because they've been getting caught. I've been walking around the house, child getting caught on the doors, and girl. But let me show y'all the 360 of this hair. So it's pretty long. It's sitting at the top of my butt right now, and I'm only 5'3". So would I suggest this hair? Yes, it's simple, it's convenient, especially it's more cost effective if you're going to get it in the pack that I got from Sam's Beauty versus just getting it in the 1 pack. you will be spending a lot of freaking money. I think all together for my packs, they were like $27, and that was 8 packs of hair. Mind you, it was like buy one get one free, but that was 8 packs of hair for $27 versus getting one pack, which I think is like $7.99. But don't quote me on that. Just do research and compare and contrast of what you want. And the reason that I picked these locks because like they look so natural. Like I don't like the crochet locks that look like Kanekalon hair. Like they don't look natural. I wanted mine to look matted. I wanted them to look textured. I wanted them to look nappy. Nappy. That's what I wanted them to look like. I wanted those natty dread looking locks. That's what I wanted. And so these look like that. And people have been saying that these look natural, which they do. Like when I take pictures, y'all, like these look so bomb in pictures, dude. Like they look so good. But yeah, I'm not gonna keep these up that long. This is a like quick protective style for me. I wouldn't suggest keeping up these styles that long anyway, but if you guys want to try it out, try the Rockin Mambo Locs. Like they look legit like dreads. If you don't want people to kind of clock you, these are the ones. Like I said, you need to braid your hair a little bit closer together, but like once your roots grow out and stuff, it's gonna look even more natural. Like but I ain't giving it that much time, I'm sorry. But yeah, like this is super lightweight. This is lightweight until like you want to put it up, then it kind of gets a little heavy on you. But for the most part, I just been wearing this down. I can part my hair, I can part it down the middle. Like I was saying, yeah, they stick together. So like when you have to rake these things together, child. So like I can do a middle part, I can do a right part, I can do a left part, which is really primarily where I wear my hair at anyway. Ooh, child. See what I'm saying? That's what I mean, but I like it still. So let me know you guys' thoughts. This is kind of quick. I just wanted to get like the little what I've been doing basically. This is something simple and easy to do, and it doesn't take long to crochet your hair, girl. Like it probably took me a little longer because I was on Snapchat, but 30 minutes to an hour is all you need to do this. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.